Alright guys, this is the HUAWEI Pura X, a 16 by 10 flip phone. This one is really different, and in this video, let's try to discover the uniqueness of it. Immediately when you have it in hand, it feels wider. It reminds me of the Mate series because the phone in that series are also a bit wider than others. It is just like a mini tablet. Okay, now let's talk more details about the overall design. I'm sure you also have a lot of questions about that part. First up, the color we got here is a gray one, and there are some other colors in the collection. Some are glasses, some are vegan leathers. Let us know which one you think is the best looking one. The main thing about the design is the form factor. It is a 16 by 10 ratio at the inner screen, and the outer screen is a pure square. The bar phones and foldables right now are still about 20 by 9 ratio. Even the flip phones, when unfolded, they are also slimmer. So many designs are optimized for such aspect ratio. When it's unfolded, put it horizontally, you can see that the logo is horizontal. The flash, the little speaker under the flash, the cameras, they're all horizontal. Very interesting. When you use the phone to answer a phone call folded, then it will be a bit different because the speaker is not at the center, it is besides the camera module. Now let's fold it. You can see the phone is almost like a square, and the width is like the regular bar phone. In this situation, the power button is at the side with the fingerprint sensor there, so you can easily unlock the phone with your thumb. Of course, if you are a lefty, the index finger will be the best one for fingerprint unlocking. When it's unfolded, the power button will be at the top right and the volume rockers at the side. So the 16 by 10 ratio has never been seen before, and it is better for office or text related stuff. The reason why Huawei can make such a phone but still offer a good user experience is because of the HarmonyOS Next. This is the first device that has the HarmonyOS Next, by the way, and this system will bring a revolutionary experience to many devices in the future. Basically, it has a unified OS development platform for developers to make everything unified on all devices with only one-time development. So on the inner screen, since it's wider, more content can be displayed, and it will be better for reading text, watching videos, or using some other apps. First, let's try reading books. You can see that there are more lines than the other bar phone. There's another unique way of turning the page, which utilizes eye movement tracking. We will do a full review for it later. And for typing, if you're using one hand, it could be a bit more difficult, but if you are typing English with both hands, then the experience is the best. We also tried YouTube and Chrome. They are working fine. So as you can see, the experience of using some apps has been better than regular phones right now. And as a Chinese, I know you foreigners with the bigger hands will love this aspect ratio. Now, the outer screen, you can do many things like viewing content. It feels just like a regular phone. Only the content on the top and bottom will be a bit limited. Then typing will be better than a regular flip phone since it is just as wide as a bar phone. Keys will be arranged better. And when watching videos for long form videos, it will be like this. And for short form videos, it will be like this. What do you think? When taking selfies, the user experience is good. And by the way, there's an HUAWEI camera on this phone, so photography will also be good. Here are some photos I took. One note to take here is that since it is a HarmonyOS, all apps should be HarmonyOS exclusive. The good thing about it is that many innovative products will be made and they can work really well in the ecosystem. So this is the hands-on and the first-time experience of the HUAWEI Pura X. The 16 by 10 ratio is new, and with the support of HarmonyOS Next, all the apps will be optimized for it. Since it is very good for reading and consuming content, or maybe work-related stuff, we're really looking forward to the updates in the future. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you soon.